1992 Chevrolet Camaro RS, a Heritage Edition, always known as the 25th anniversary model. This particular car, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, original miles, has approximately 66,200 miles on it. We'll check the exact miles, get around to the driver's side. Car shows very well. You can tell this car is well taken care of. Seems to be original paint from what I've been around this. The original wheels, interior, pretty stock the way it would have came from a Chevrolet back in 1992. Let you take a good close look at this fascia. Car's not full of nicks, scratches, dings, road chips, anything like that up here. Are you going to find a few that have been touched up? Absolutely. I mean, it is a 1992. It's been driven a little bit. A couple small touch-ups here, one there. So, I mean, yeah, you have a few little touch-ups. But again, overall for a 92, 66,000 miles on it. Nice condition. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, you can see the underside of this car. Floor pans look great on it. Check out the engine bay, interior. There'll be T-tops in pictures, T-top out pictures. You'll be able to see the trunk. How the T-tops are in the bag and lock up back there. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can always call us too, 507-386-1726. Riding on Kumo radials. Look like they have quite a bit of tread left on them. You'll be able to see that in the still pictures. Take a look up and down this passenger side. Again, the car's not full of nicks, dings, scratches. Stored indoors. Interior shows it, paint shows it, and most of all, of course, the dash shows it. 305 powered V8 underneath the hood. That is paired up with the automatic transmission, you can see, with overdrive shifter on the floor. Center console. This would have the gray custom cloth bucket seats. There is a copy of the window sticker, original 1992 Chevrolet showroom brochure, as well as the owner's manual, the key socket for the locking lug. All that will come with this car. There is also a front license plate bracket. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. So consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Of course, power windows, power locks, AC, has a rear hatch, the electric release to it, the automatic closure for that rear hatch. I'm going to show you that too. And the struts in the back work properly. And I'll show you what I'm talking about that. This has the automatic electronic opening trunk. All you have to do is hit the center switch right there, and it is going to slowly go up, and then look at that. The struts even work. The retractable privacy cover for the hatch also works. And as you can see, T-tops in the bag. We do have the Bose stereo system on this one, AC Delco Gold. And again, you can see those options on the window sticker. Let's go ahead and check out the interior. Tell you what, let me show you. Let's close this first too real quick. All you have to do is have it click right there. As you can see, has the electric pull down and latches. All working order. This car is in nice shape. All right, let's go ahead and start it up. Tilt cruise. Again, power windows, power locks, AC. I did notice those rear speakers. I mentioned the Bose. Do not believe the rear speakers were working. Fronts are fine. FYI. As you can see, all the gauges work on the dash. There's your exact miles, 66,221. AC compressor was kicking on and off for me earlier. There you can hear it. Dash, and AC does blow cold, by the way. It'll freeze you out of here in not very long. Click that back off. Power windows, of course, will be on the center here. Again, automatic with overdrive. See if it'll come down off that high idle here just shortly as it warms up. We'll flip around to the back so you can hear it run though. No crazy exhaust, any sort of cam. Everything appears to be original there. What you'd expect a 92 Camaro with a 305 to sound like. Alright, I'm going to slip up to the front here. Let's get this hood popped and let's check out this engine bay, see if it looks as stock as the rest of this car.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we go. Get a good look at the engine bay. Look at that. The hood light even works. And like you'll see me saying some of the other videos, if I can keep the glare off of it, take a look at that hood liner. Tell this car has not been driven in inclement weather, winters, anything like that. No salt stains, anything on that hood liner. Looks good. Always a telltale sign. And look at how clean this engine bay is. No sort of surface rust, anything like that. Hear how smooth that engine idles and runs. Again, 305. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Just paired up with an automatic overdrive trans. Just what you'd want it to look like and expect it to look like. Nice, clean and tidy, well taken care of, smooth running. Good looking car, nice shape. 1992 Chevrolet Camaro RS, 25th anniversary edition. Clean Carfax. Original miles, give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
You like this video? Hit the red subscribe button down below to really help our channel out, and you'll stay up to date on all future videos.